Hello and welcome to the video. This video is a super easy tutorial for YouTubers who are just getting started. So if you've not uploaded your video to YouTube just yet, this is the video for you. Okay, let's get started. So we're here on YouTube, on the YouTube home screen, and I have logged into my account. So once you're logged in, there's a couple of ways to upload a video. The simplest way on the YouTube home screen is to click this little button here. It kind of looks a bit like a video camera, and with a plus on it. You'll have a little thing that says create underneath. Click on that. There's two things you can do here, which is upload a video or you can go live. So we'll click on upload video, and it takes you to the back end of YouTube Creator Studio. So you may have been in here before, you may have not, but to add the files to here, they can do it two ways. In this dialog box for uploading videos, click select files and select the video that you would like and click open, or the other simple way to do it will be to get the files and drag them into there as well. Now this dialog box here is where you add all your details for your video. So I'm going to add some example titles and descriptions and some tags for this video. So I'm just going to add some content in here. The next box down here is the description. I suggest having a couple of paragraphs which kind of explains what the video is all about in this section here. Just added that in as an example video description. Here you can see now that the video has uploaded, and we're going to go down and we can pick a thumbnail here. If you're not happy with this thumbnail, you can also add a custom thumbnail. You'd upload it by clicking that button there. To add it to a playlist, you click on the drop down menu here and select the playlist you want to add it to. And to add the tags, click on show more, go down and add some tags. Tags are just simply other ways to explain what the video is about. So I'm just going to use example video tutorial. Okay, so once you've got that, you want to click on next, and that'll take you to the video element screen. You can add cards and an end screen. Because this is a really short video, I can't add an end screen to that. Click next again. It's going to do some checks. This checks for YouTube copyright. So if you've got like a track in your video which is a commercial piece of music, this will tell you if you can use this or not. And the next one is visibility. You've got three main options here, which are private, unlisted or public, and you can also schedule the video. I'm just going to choose unlisted because I don't want this to be listed onto YouTube. Click save, and that is your video uploaded to YouTube. This video is now added to the content section on the left hand side. To edit the video, click on the pencil and you'll be able to go in and edit some more of the details of this video. So that's my super simple beginner's video tutorial on how to upload a video to YouTube for the very first time. Hope you found that video interesting, and if you did, if you got something from it, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on notifications and all that jazz, and I will see you in another video. Take care, see you soon.